Hey everybody, it's Neil, and check out what I have here. I have a small technician's bag, so we'll show you what we've got in here. This here, that away, and this is going to be the bag there. So it's kind of a cool size, good size for just carrying around some small amounts of tools and things. It comes with a strap as well, so let me go ahead and put that on. So, boy, this is going to make it nice and convenient to carry around. Like this and this here. Okay, so here we go. So now we have our whole bag. It's got the little flag on it, which can come off. You can Velcro anything you want on there if you want to. It's just kind of a little Velcro area. It's got lots of places here. I like to put different things in those. I'll put carabiners and hook on things maybe that have hooks on them onto something like this. And then when we open it up inside, we have plenty of storage for screwdrivers and tools and whatnot on this piece here. So this one here comes out. You can put different screwdriver sets or whatever you need in there. In the bottom, that's where I put that at the bottom. And then we have our little sections here. This is probably where I'll keep all my little drill bits and items in there. And then in here, probably put my wrenches or something in there. So just a nice little, for me, it'll be a toolkit. You could use this for anything, really. You could use it as a travel ditty bag or anything. You can just hold anything. It could be good even for cables or something like that if you're traveling a lot and bringing lots of cables and doing things. But it gives you the ability to carry it as such, like this, around your neck, around your shoulder, however you want to have a bag. But it is really nice. I like this one here. It's nice. It's made out of like a canvas kind of material, but it is flexible and can scooch down if you need to be able to fold it and put it in somewhere. And it's good. And the zipper worked really well. It has a double zipper, so you can zip it open just a little bit this way or open up the whole thing fully wide as we had it before. Really nice, good amount of space in there. So I like this one. I'm going to give this one a thumbs up.